Hola, welcome to my channel again. This is Josie, and let's go talk today about the normal mistakes that you can do it in Spanish when you're trying to talk about plural, or when you are doing reference with feminine and masculine. Okay, let's go start. Okay, let's go start. In English, the most part of the time you use the as an article to refer masculine, feminine, or a neutral. But we have a big difference in Spanish. In Spanish, when you wanna use los, you are gonna use it when referred to masculine or when it's a neutral. When just you are not talking about masculine, you can talk about masculine and feminine together. For example, the children. You are talking about girls and boys. And then in Spanish, you are gonna use los niños because you are referring both. Other example that I can give you is the books, los libros. The most part of the time you're gonna use los when you are talking and you are referred to feminine or a neutral one when you're talking about both in the same sentence. And you have to see what is the subject for identify what is gonna be the in that case the adjective that you're gonna use. If you wanna say about las, that is just for feminine and just in plural too. And then, for example, the girls, las niñas, the flowers, las flores. This just is specific when you are talking about feminine. Because I have to say that in English it's a little easier because if you are saying the all the time, it's gonna refer to feminine, masculine, or neutral. And I would say that this is the common mistake that people who's trying to learn Spanish is using all the time because they get confused. That thing that is really normal when you are trying to learn a new language. But this is a little tips that you can use when you are trying to talk. First, you have to pay attention in the subject for you can identify if you're gonna use feminine, you're gonna use masculine, or if you're gonna use los or les. I hope this short video helped you a little to identify this and you can practice a little bit more. And we are gonna see you in the next videos. If you like it, subscribe, leave comment below, and we're gonna see you.